Welcome back to Villa Famiglia, everybody. It is week 58 and we have a little bit to go through with you today. Certainly the most exciting thing to show you is the magnificent chimney detail that we have completed here on this project. The masonry is all done, the scaffolding is down, and you are getting a first glimpse of what the front of this house is going to kind of sort of look like once we're all done here. We're missing some Trex decking that will be going in front of us here with a beautiful railing. So anyways, that is still to come, but you know, we've got beautiful clear wood soffit over the main floor deck there, which is just gonna warm that area up for these clients when they get to move in here, which I think we're probably about 2.5, 3 months out. We'll see. Anyways, let's jump inside and take a look. Well, currently I'm actually standing in the middle of the kitchen island, but it's obviously not here. We've got all our drywall up, right? Everything looking beautiful. Above me, you'll remember, is a primary suite. We've got this massive door out to the outdoor living area. Absolutely magnificent. I'm so excited to see this project continue to progress and look as amazing as it is. And I mean, what a great space in here, hey? Like beautiful, tall, vaulted ceilings, like absolutely magnificent. What a great place to entertain. Great place to host family gatherings. Totally awesome. And then if we come this way, formal dining room right in here, right off the front entryway. I just think it's awesome. And you know, the really neat thing about this too is depending on, you know, future owners of the home, you know, they could decide, well, hey, we'd rather have a living room than a dining room. Make it a dining room, or a living room rather. Do what you want. Although it'd be tough to have this as not a dining room, because where else would you eat dinner? Okay, so we are now upstairs and this floor is 100% done from a drywalling perspective. They have done everything that they're gonna do up here. Obviously the last thing that has to get done is it all has to get vacuumed out so that the painters can come in and get their prime coat on the walls and then finish the ceilings for us. So really great progress. I think we might even jump the tile setter in here early to start getting the shower bases installed so that that's ready in advance as well. So just doing whatever we can to get things moving forward on this project. Primary bedroom here. I mean, what more is there to say? Like, what a great space this is gonna be. You know, I can't imagine how amazing it's gonna be to wake up to this amazing view of downtown Vancouver. I mean, yes, I have read your comments in the comment section about the electrical wires and whatever else in the air. Unfortunately, that's a thing here in Vancouver. Well, not all of Vancouver, I'll be honest, but most of Vancouver, for whatever reason, we have above ground hydro lines. And well, I know why, because it's cheaper to do it that way. But it definitely hinders the view a little bit. But you know what? You just learn to see through the wires, and you don't even see the wires. You just see the beautiful ocean and buildings downtown. So ain't too bad. That's a wrap on today, everybody. If you get any value out of these videos, we sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel and like the video, maybe share it with a friend. In the meantime, if you have a home that you've been dreaming about renovating, we would love to be your partners in success. Call us, find us on the web, connect. We would love to work with you. In the meantime, thanks for watching, stay awesome, and catch you on the next one. Bye now.